in circle. And what does circle look like? Like round. This is circle and no edges and corners too. Is that play the circle? Yes? Okay. And this is a circle too? Yes. Next is a square. It's a four equal sides. Is spread this a square? Yes. This is. The next one is triangle and it has a three sides and I have a birthday hat and it have a three lines. And both as the last one is rectangle. It has four sides and shapes with opposite sides. I have a book and picture frames of me. This is a circle or is it rectangle? Correct, rectangle. Let's have a rear view. Today, what shape is this? Square, correct. And what shape is this? Circle, correct. And what shape is this? Triangle, correct. And what this shape? Square, correct. Good job. Now we're done in shapes. Now I'll teach you the colors. I have red chili and I have red apple. And what color of this? Correct, it's red. Next is yellow. I have yellow pear. I have a yellow sunglasses. And what color is this? Correct, it's yellow. Next is green. I have green cabbage and I have grasshopper and this real. What color is this? The grasshopper. Good job, it's green. Next is blue and I have a blue unicorn stuffed toy, my toy, and I have my dress in the uniform for school. And what color is this? Good job, it's blue. The last one is orange. I have an orange cone and I have an orange tomato. And what's this color? Correct, it's orange. And now I'll teach you the sizes. This is tall, this is short. See the difference? What is this? Good job, tall. And what is this? Short. Wide. This is narrow. See the difference? This is a wide or narrow. Good job, it's a wide. And what's this? Good job, it's a narrow. I have stuffed toys look like unicorns. And this is big unicorn, this is small unicorn. And see the difference? They're same or not? They're not the same. Okay, where's big? Good job, it's here. And we're small. Good job, it's here. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned a lot. See you later, alligator. From the wild crocodile. From the hug, from your back. Long a kiss, jellyfish. See ya soon. Peekaboo. From the storm, dinosaur. Nearby, polar bear. Love a kiss. Butterflies. Kiss.